Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna prepare oven cooked chicken my style. I put my usual masala in there: turmeric, red pepper, salt, coriander. What else I did? Garlic powder. Put some oil to mix it all up. The oil will work like adhesive. It will stick to the chicken while I cook. It won't fall off. I also put some oil on my pan. I usually put aluminum foil, but I don't have it, so I'm just gonna use some oil so it doesn't stick to the pan. Now make sure you marinate very well each pieces of chicken and spread them around. And preheat the oven while you do this, so it'll be ready when you are done. Now I put some onions on top to add some flavor. And now put it into the oven for 30 to 40 minutes. I did 30 minutes and it's all done. Looks delicious as well. And I pre-cooked some chickpeas to go along with it. If you want to know how to cook chickpeas, I have another video. You can check it out. Now I'm gonna go and enjoy my lunch. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.